Fix in 5. Let's decode P0521. Engine oil pressure sensor range/performance, abnormal variation in ENG. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Unstable or fluctuating idle with visible RPM gauge variations, difficult or delayed engine startup, engine vibrations during low-speed operation, increased fuel consumption, momentary loss of power during acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Defective or worn spark plugs, most common cause. Wear greater than 0.8 mm. Clogged fuel injectors or defective spray pattern. Obstructed air filter, restriction greater than 25 mbar. Stuck or non-functional EGR valve. Here's how a pro pins it down. Check the engine oil level and condition, color, consist. Inspect the oil pressure sensor and its associated connect. Verify sensor wiring continuity using a multimeter. If available, use a mechanical oil pressure gauge to config. Test the oil pressure sensor with a diagnostic tool or ACC check for blocked oil passages or a dirty/incorrect oil phi. How to fix it. Replace spark plugs with OEM specifications and verify spark gap. Clean or replace fuel injectors via ultrasonic decarbonization. Inspect and clean air filter. Replace if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly 35 to 95 euros doing it yourself, or 115 to 175 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0521? The cost to fix P0521 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cost. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0521. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.